today I'm going to do a video review about this pizza party oven directly from Italy, which comes with the gas option and wood option. We're going to use it as a gas option, so it looks really well made, and I think it will cook the pizza an amazing way. So this is very small, perfect for your backyard or in a balcony. So in this case we are in a balcony. So I'm gonna speak a little bit in Italian for my family in Italy too. Ciao amici, benvenuti al mio canale. Oggi vi dimostrerò, oggi faremo una recensione del pizza party forno per casa. Questo forno viene con due opzioni, legna e gas, però oggi andremo a vedere come cuoce la mia pizza napoletana con l'opzione gas. Spero vi piace il video e ci vediamo dopo, e lasciate un bel like. Ok, first thing to do is we're gonna turn it on. So accendiamo il forno, il gas. Quindi abbiamo aggiunto la bombola. We just put the gas tank. So now we're gonna turn it on and warm up the temperature. This, look how nice. They even put the counter to, they were going to make the pizzas on this. Whoa. I almost burned myself. You have two type of flame, high and low. At this point we're gonna put it really high. This way it will go up in temperature really quick. The temperature set, and now we're gonna let it warm it up for about 1 hour, I believe, or maybe less, maybe 30 minutes. But we need to warm up the stone for, I think it needs to be really hot, so we'll see how long it will take. It's been, I let it stay for 1 hour, nice and warm. So dopo un'ora, like you can see right now, Fahrenheit. So the bottom is 700, let's say 800. It's 800 Fahrenheit the bottom. In only 1 hour it went up. So I believe even for 35-40 minutes this oven goes in temperature. So we're gonna do just a trial now for the first time. I'm gonna try to make just the dough with tomato sauce and see how it will cook. And then we're gonna make the actual pizza. Guys, I'm surprised this was just the try, and the pizza, I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna put some prosciutto and we're gonna eat it. Amici, cioè questa qua era una pizza pizza. Comunque, era una prova ed è venuta benissimo, mica la butto io. Ci metto un po' di prosciutto, un po' di burrata e voilà. So, let's go make this the actual pizza, and let's go see the first time, let's go review this pizza party oven for the first time. Guys, I mean, look at this. Look at the product they come out from this pizza party oven. Just take a look. Just take a look. Let's go see the bottom of the pizza. I mean, the pizza cooked perfect. Perfect. Almost like a wood burning oven, guys. I mean, it's unbelievable. Look at it, the crunches, it's crunchy. It's crunchy, soft at the same time. I can't wait to eat it. But in the meantime, I'm gonna make some more pizzas this way. This way you can see. I mean, I cooked the pizza in about 90 seconds only. So, I believe this pizza is perfect. This oven is amazing. Actually, I'm gonna try to make two in one time, and let's go see how it will cook. So like you can see, I didn't edit the time, just raw video to see the timing of the oven. I mean, we have 2 pizzas, I'm gonna put it on a plate. This way, I'm gonna show you to you better. Those are the pizzas. Let's go see the bottom. There's no editing. The pizza is cooked perfectly. Pizza. This one I changed a little bit to the spot and the pizza is cooked really good. Pizza Party Company that made this oven, a big thumbs up. Amici, come potete vedere le 2 pizze sono pronte, perfette di cottura. Mi congratulo con la compagnia Pizza Party. Sotto nelle descrizioni troverete il link dove acquistare questo forno. This is my review. Hope you like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. We're gonna enjoy this pizza.